guys, welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today let's talk about a forgotten brand, MyGlam. So in the year 2020, they launched a new scheme called free lipsticks. So what they were doing is that this MyGlam Lit Matte Liquid Lipsticks, they were giving them out for free, not for free per se, because they were taking delivery charge which was 99 rupees. I remember this vividly because I was the one who bought it at that time and reviewed it, and that is the first video of mine that got 1 million views, and that was 4 years ago. They had launched new products since then and I had kind of reviewed every one of them because MyGlam was trending at that point of time. Everybody wanted it because they were giving these offers which were mind-blowing. Now cut to 2024, even last year in 2023, I did not see much buzz about MyGlam. They did not come up with a lot of new products. And the same happened in 2024 as well. I did not see them launching a lot of new products. I do not see many influencers talk about them, and I do not see them as much on my feed as I used to. So let's just say that the buzz or the hype that they had created are now gone. The only place that I saw them recently is on a beauty pageant. Today I searched on Google, is MyGlam profitable? And Google said that no, it is not profitable. It is going through losses. So what went wrong? I think the reason is the quality of the products. They are not coming up with products which people will buy again and again. Apart from these lipsticks which I buy again and again, but I know people have their reservations about these lipsticks. They do not like it. To be honest, I like these lipsticks. I know they can be a little drying, but for me that is good because it does not move. Even if I am eating something outside, it does not move a lot. It just stays even if I'm eating. So that is what I like about it. It is transfer proof. I know there are a lot of transfer proof lipsticks now in the market, but not many are as good as this one. So I prefer this. And I think you can still buy them for free. You just only need to pay 99 rupees. I think they have changed it to 199 rupees now. So 200 for one lipstick is not that bad. I saw some new shades which I do not have, so I thought of buying them out, especially because these are reds, plums and pinks which are perfect for the upcoming wedding season. Without wasting any time, let's get into the swatches. First, let's talk about what's up with the sizes. They have shortened it so much. This used to be the size of the lipstick and this is the size now. This is 1.6 ml and this used to be 3 ml, but the price they have kept is same. I don't know why they reduced the quantity and kept the price same. Maybe because they're giving it out for free and nobody is actually paying the MRP. Now that I've seen the swatches, let me tell you what I feel about these lipsticks. I'm not going to get into a detailed review because I have talked about these lipsticks so many times. I'll leave a link to my playlist here. There are multiple videos. Just in short, as I said, I really like the formulation. For me, the drying part does not bother much because I like how matte it looks and how matte it feels. It is also completely non-sticky. And as I said, these are transfer proof. ये खाने के बाद भी remove नहीं होता है, which is my priority. So I keep using them again and again and I keep buying them. I thought of including these two shades from my old collection because I love how they look on me. And this shade Swinger, I wear it every time. Like smoky eyes करना है, go for Swinger. कोई makeup नहीं करना है, go for Swinger. So this is like a universal shade. If you want to try these lipsticks for free, I'll leave a link in my description box. You'll just have to take a short survey. It will only take like 15 seconds and you will get a lipstick for free. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite shade. I'll see you next week with another video. Take care till then. Tata.